What's up guys, Chronic here. Today I'm doing a video of how to set up and use your Elgato Stream Deck. I have the 15 key Stream Deck. It's worth it. You can do a hell of a lot and it is very simple, but I thought I'd just do a quick run through of everything that the Elgato program has to offer. So if we go to this screen, as you can see, this is what I use. It's just the buttons I use for just recording. I have plenty of other buttons for when I'm streaming. Mention streaming, I do stream over on Twitch, links will be down below in the description. And so basically this one right here is my stream. So I press that button, not my stream, sorry, my recording. I press that button and it will instantly start recording. This one is the last scene before that we just saw, and then this one is the one we're on now. You can customize it all, literally. So I've got the UI here because when I'm streaming, sometimes I do forget what scene I'm on or what button I need to repress, sort of thing. So I have that on there. You can customize both. So I could have the normal button, well, anything really. Anything you like. You can either pick from a file or create a new icon, which will take you to, I believe, Elgato's website. But what I'm going to show you is just a quick run through of everything that we've got to use for. Obviously, as you can see on the right hand side, I have a lot of other stuff that you might not have. I've taken some of the things off that I don't use. So you've got obviously OBS. This is just the basic OBS one with your scenes, your mixer audio, record, stream and sources. If you want to download the if you're using Stream Elements anyway, Stream Elements OBS Live, then it comes with a few more things. So like you can mute your alerts if you're streaming, pause the alerts, unpause, skip an alert, reload overlays, the Capagen, charge the Capagen and empty the Hype Cup. You also have media requests, but obviously depending on where you stream and what their rules are for playing music. Obviously on Twitch you can't play any music you don't have the rights to. What you can hear in the background when I'm not talking is Stream Beats, which is it was made by a Twitch streamer, Harris Heller. I could definitely advise using it. They've got EDM, lo-fi and synthwave, sorry. And there's literally, like on synthwave there's 40 songs. On that one there's 240 songs. On lo-fi, on the EDM there's 54 songs, and they're always growing, so definitely use that for like YouTube videos or Twitch streaming, because you can use that without getting any copyright strikes or any DMCAs or whatever the bloody hell it's called. But yeah, so what with this one, and obviously at the bottom it has mixer audio, scenes, sources, record and stream. I definitely would advise using this one. Just purely because the more options you've got to use to connect to your Stream Deck. So obviously if you've got OBS open, you use the scenes. If you want to, like a certain scene that you want to go to without using your mouse to click it, you just press on the Stream Deck, it takes you straight to it. That's what I love about it, because I've got quite a few. If I just show you mine quickly, scene control. So obviously I've got my starting scene screen, my live screen, just chatting, a break and the ending. Obviously these are all customizable. I've changed it. On the actual Stream Deck this is animated, none of the others are. And you've got your mic, so you can mute your mic or you can mute your desktop audio or any other audio outputs that goes to your stream or your YouTube. But video. The middle one is a Twitch pager, so if someone uses a certain command in my chat, it flashes my stream deck all different colours. I've also set it so if I get a follower or a subscriber or someone drops bits or donates, it will flash up on my screen saying what was done and who by. Pretty awesome feature, especially if you've got a chat that's going pretty quick and you miss the alert or something like that. It flashes up on your stream deck, and once you've noticed it and you've thanked that person, for example, you just press anywhere on the stream deck and it goes. Obviously clip it and mark it, so that will clip anything in Twitch that you wanted clipping or marking for editing later on. I've got view control, which if I press on the stream deck, it takes me to what my display is. So if I wanted, like when I'm doing Jackbox Party or something like that where there's a code that needs to be done, I put that on so then I can be the first one in there, because with Jackbox Party the first one in there gets host. So I put that up so I can get in first. And then obviously if I want to take the game away or show the game or the display or turn my camera off. And then obviously I've got sounds as well, which is for my soundboard. Now here I did have profiles, so up here you've got profiles. I had a hell of a lot, but then I thought, why make loads of profiles when you can have everything in one profile? So for my voice mod, I go into voice mod folder, my commands, which is the CMD, I click on that and it brings up all my commands to quickly press. Say if someone wanted to know what my YouTube is, I'd press the YouTube command, which is this one here, or what the sub perks are to my channel, I'd press that. Or if they wanted to add me, I'd press that. It just saves people putting commands in chat, or a mod putting commands in chat, or if you don't have a mod yet or none of your mods are available, it's easy as that to do. The shout out command I really like. So say if someone, I tend to shout out someone if they've subscribed to me with a tier 2 or a tier 3 sub, because you know they're using their money and helping support me and my channel, so I'd give them a shout out. Because you press the shout out button, it might not, so I've got 3 people lurking in my chat. I'm not even live and they're lurking in my chat, so if I wanted to shout out this person, I'd press that button and it will instantly put in chat, hey, go follow this person, they support me, and it'll leave their link to their channel. Really awesome feature. I've also got the clip to chat, so if I've clipped something and I want chat to see it or replay it, it goes straight to the chat, or the rules. And then I've got more, which I haven't actually put anything in yet, so that reminds me I'll need to do that after this. And then this one is my music, so if I've got Spotify running in the background or something that's playing non-copyrighted music or whatever, and I want to pause it, then I just click on that and pause it. Really great feature to have. And then obviously the start and end, so that will launch my OBS in administrator mode. I press that and it will automatically do a load of things for me. It's a multi-action tool, so it will go to my starting soon screen, then there's a second delay, it mutes my microphone, another second delay, and then I go live, another second delay, and then it will tweet out that I'm live. It also changes my Twitter name with a little red recording symbol, and then because I've got another Twitter account, it posts on that one for me as well. And I can change this up all the time if I wanted to do different things. It's the same with the ending, the radom. That's a really awesome feature to have. It is in Twitch tools by BarRaider. You will have to authorize your Twitch with BarRaider, but it's perfectly fine. I've had no problems at all, and if you join that person's Discord, it's very helpful as well. And then you got who's live. That shows selected people that you want to know if they're live. It will show with a little either game preview or whatever, or it will make a sound if you set it to. So if I go back to profiles, enough talking about mine. Every profile you make, you get this. It'll just take you to the Elgato Stream Deck website. So that's the basic OBS. Then you've got the system. If you wanted to launch a specific website, you just copy and paste it into the URL bit at the bottom. You can title it if you like, or even add a picture. So if you wanted it to take you to your Twitch channel or your YouTube channel, you put that there, you press the button, boom, it takes you there straight away. This one I use quite a lot, which is launch. It will launch a application for me. That's how I've got it to launch Spotify. It launches OBS, all sorts. That's what I use to launch stuff. And then obviously the multimedia, which is what my music one was. You can skip tracks, pause, next, stop, mute, increase and decrease volume. It is very awesome to have that as well. Obviously this is the Twitch basic one, with chat messages, shows your viewers, it can clear your chat, play an ad, put it in sub chat only, slow chat, followers only chat, emote chat, and obviously create a stream marker, create a clip, and open last clip. I don't really use this one as much. I use the Twitch tools. Obviously there's not a lot on here. It's pretty much similar, but you've got channel monitor, so that's the one where you have specific people that you want to watch or know when they go live. You press that button and it'll take you straight away to their channel, and it'll play a sound. Or you've got live streamers, so that is everyone that you follow. If I put that in there, I know, so live streamers is people that you follow but you want to host or raid them. So if I clicked on that, it would load up from the people with the lowest amount of viewers to the highest. And then if you wanted to raid them and you've set it to the raid, you literally just press and hold for a second or two, and then it raids that person's channel. Another good use to have with that. Then you've got your Twitter. So obviously it tweets out whatever you want to put. You can only use it every 12 hours, I believe. And change your Twitter name. Obviously YouTube as well, but I don't stream to YouTube, so I don't use that. Then obviously your voice mod. So if you do use voice mod and you've got the premium one, you can select a certain voice and it will stay on there. Obviously if you don't have the premium one and you've got the free one, the voices change every 24 hours, so it's never going to be the same voice. But obviously you can turn it on, turn it off. You can make it so you can hear it in your own headset, the ambient effects and everything like that. Now the Stream Deck, obviously create a folder. This is what I've done for my commands, my voice mod and that. On that one profile I've had it in folders instead of having multiple profiles. Switch profile, it does exactly what it says. When you press it, it will take you to whatever profile you've got it selected at. And multi-action, that is what I use for like my starting up my stream or ending my stream. I press that button and it will go to a certain scene, mute mics, or do whatever you want it to do. Random action, you got timers, so when the Stream Deck will sort of just not turn off, but everything will go black. And then the brightness, so you can use that so you can change the brightness of your Stream Deck if you wanted to. Advanced launch, that's another very good one. You can launch whatever you want, like games or something, and then a process killer, which also obviously, say you've had enough of that game, you want to end the game after you've signed out or done whatever, you can just press that, it kills it out, ready, so you can launch a different game. Obviously this is what I spoke about earlier, the Stream Elements OBS, with all the different options in there. I use this one. It does the same. It's got the mixer audio, scenes, sources, record and stream, and that's what I use. And you've got Soundpad. If you've got the Soundpad application, then it's very handy. If you don't, then you won't need it. Obviously if you go to more actions, it comes up with everything you can possibly get. So you can monitor your CPU, you've got Spotify interrogation, audio outputs, OBS, which is that OBS Live that I've got on the right hand side, shadow play, OBS tools, counter, the advanced launcher, super macro. You've got so much you can do. You've got Mix It Up, which have recently obviously changed their software, so it's available for Twitch now. It was just Mixer only, I believe, but obviously Mixer's dead and gone now. You You also got Stream Deck games, where you can play little games on there if you're like bored or something. Minecraft stats, YouTube stats. There's a lot on here to pick from and to do, and you can do so much. But I will say, obviously, you need, if you go to settings and accounts, you will need to sign in. And by doing that, because this will be empty for you, so you'd need to press plus and then sign in to whatever you wanted to, or all of them if you wanted to. But you'll have to do that every 30 days, I believe, because if you don't, when you press the button, it ain't going to work, especially for Twitch. You need to be signed into Twitch. Just do it every 30 days, and that way it'll be a lot simple for you. If you need to set a reminder, or if it doesn't work one stream or one recording, then you know you need to just reauthorize it. It doesn't take long. It is a pain in the backside, I will say that, but it's fine. So yeah, that's just a quick run through of everything that the Elgato Stream Deck has to offer. Obviously there is a lot more that you can do. If you want to know exactly how to do like the multi-action buttons and stuff like that, then let me know in the comment section below. I can do another video more in depth on how to do it, how to get the timers set up, everything like that. So if I go back to this one, obviously I'll press that button, takes me back to that scene. But I've also got a button, if I press that, it shows the background. But yeah guys, that's just a quick run through of the Elgato, and it is pretty good. It's decent, it's worth the money. If you have the money for it, it's definitely worth the money. But yeah, if you want other videos on how to do stuff more in depth, let me know. I will do the recordings and I'll post it out. I do stream over on Twitch. Again, links will be down in the description below. If you want to join my Discord as well, that'll also be in the description below. If you're a streamer or a YouTuber, you can promote yourself in a certain channels that is allowed to do so. Until then guys, have a good time streaming, and I'll see you next time.